Greetings, it is my pleasure to introduce myself. I'm Ginalyn Sarlo, 23 years old, single. I live in Upper Magangit, Bataan, Compostela Valley Province. I'm graduate in University of Mindanao, finished Bachelor of Science in Criminology. I honest and loyal to my work. I was experienced as a housemaid within 2 years. I wash the clothes, I ironing, I clean the house, marketing, and others so on.
Are you familiar with operating household appliances?
Yes, I operate the household appliances like vacuum cleaner, washing machine, rice cooker.
What experience do you have in cooking?
I can cook a simple dish like fried fish, boiled egg, mixed vegetable, and Filipino food like adobo.
Are you willing to take care of pets like cats or dogs?
Yes, I love pets like those.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to help my sister and brothers to school.
If lucky to be selected, what can you promise to your future employer?
If I will be given a chance to work in Hong Kong, I promise to be loyal and honest to my employer and to finish my 2 years contract. Thank you.